Kapadvanj is a small city in the state of Gujarat, India. Nestled in the heart of the state, it is a place where time seems to slow down, allowing you to take in the beauty of its surroundings. The city is a perfect blend of natural beauty and cultural richness, making it a unique destination for those looking to experience the true essence of rural India. It is known for its peaceful atmosphere and rural charm. The landscapes here are dotted with lush green fields, serene water bodies and quaint village homes that exude a sense of tranquility. The air is fresh and the environment is unpolluted, offering a stark contrast to the hustle and bustle of urban life. Agriculture is the heart of Kapadvanj. The fertile soil and favorable climate make it an ideal place for farming. The fields are a patchwork of different crops, each adding its own hue to the landscape. The sight of farmers working diligently in their fields is a common one, reflecting the hard work and dedication that goes into sustaining this agrarian lifestyle. Farmers grow a variety of crops, including cotton, wheat and vegetables. Each season brings with it a new harvest, and the local markets are always bustling with fresh produce. The agricultural practices here are a mix of traditional methods and modern techniques, ensuring that the produce is both high in quality and sustainable. The city is a blend of tradition and modernity. Walking through the streets of Kapadvanj, you will find ancient temples standing side by side with modern buildings. This juxtaposition of the old and the new creates a unique architectural landscape that tells the story of the city's rich history and its journey towards modernization. The people of Kapadvanj are warm and welcoming. Their hospitality is legendary, and visitors are often treated like family. The locals take great pride in their community and are always eager to share their culture and traditions with outsiders. Whether it's a simple greeting on the street or an invitation to a local festival, the warmth of the people here is truly heartwarming. They are proud of their heritage and traditions. Festivals and cultural events are an integral part of life in Kapadvanj. These celebrations are a vibrant display of the city's rich cultural tapestry, featuring traditional music, dance and cuisine. Each event is a testament to the community's deep-rooted respect for their heritage and their desire to keep these traditions alive for future generations. Life in Kapadvanj is slow-paced and relaxed. The daily rhythm here is dictated by the natural cycles of the sun and the seasons. This unhurried lifestyle allows residents to enjoy the simple pleasures of life, from leisurely walks in the fields to spending quality time with family and friends. It's a way of life that many find refreshing and rejuvenating. The city offers a welcome escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. For those looking to unwind and reconnect with nature, Kapadvanj is the perfect destination. Its serene environments provide a peaceful retreat where one can relax and recharge. Whether you're exploring the countryside, interacting with the locals, or simply soaking in the tranquil atmosphere, Kapadvanj promises an experience that is both enriching and rejuvenating. Kapadvanj is surrounded by the beauty of nature. The climate is semi-arid, with hot summers and mild winters. The land is fertile, nourished by the waters of the rivers. The vegetation consists mainly of thorny shrubs and acacia trees. These plants are well adapted to the dry climate. During the monsoon season, the landscape transforms into a lush green paradise. Despite the semi-arid climate, Kapadvanj is home to a variety of wildlife. Birds are a common sight, filling the air with their melodies. Peacocks, parrots and kingfishers add splashes of color to the landscape. Small mammals like squirrels and rabbits can be spotted darting through the undergrowth. Larger animals such as nilgai or blue antelopes are occasionally seen grazing in the fields. Rivers and water bodies play a vital role in the life of Kapadvanj. The Vishwamitri River, a tributary of the Sabarmati River, flows through the region. It provides water for irrigation and sustains the local ecosystem. During the monsoon season, the rivers swell with rainwater. The surrounding areas come alive with greenery. The monsoon brings relief from the heat and replenishes the water table. Section 5. Hills and Havens. While Kapadvanj itself is situated on a plain, there are several hills and parks in the surrounding areas. These natural landscapes offer a refreshing contrast to the urban environment, providing a serene escape for residents and visitors. The hills are not just geographical features, they are the lungs of the region, offering clean air and a sense of tranquility. The parks, with their lush greenery, serve as communal spaces where people can unwind and connect with nature. These provide opportunities for hiking, picnicking, and enjoying panoramic views of the countryside. The trails are well marked and cater to both novice hikers and seasoned trekkers. Families often come here to spend quality time together, setting up picnics with breathtaking backdrops. The panoramic views from the hilltops are nothing short of spectacular, offering a 360-degree vista of the surrounding countryside. It's a place where one can truly feel at peace, away from the hustle and bustle of daily life. One popular destination is the Zanzari waterfall. Located a short distance from the city, this natural wonder is a must-visit for anyone in the area. The journey to the waterfall is an adventure in itself, with winding paths and scenic views that make the trip worthwhile. Upon arrival, the sound of cascading water greets visitors, creating an atmosphere of calm and relaxation. The waterfall cascades down from a rocky cliff, creating a picturesque scene. The sight of the water tumbling down the rocks is mesmerizing, and many visitors find themselves captivated by its beauty. The area around the waterfall is perfect for photography, with numerous spots that offer the ideal backdrop for memorable pictures. The natural pool at the base of the waterfall is also a popular spot for a refreshing dip, especially during the hot summer months. It is a popular spot for locals and tourists alike. On weekends, the area buzzes with activity as people come to enjoy the natural beauty and recreational opportunities. Local vendors often set up stalls selling snacks and souvenirs, adding to the vibrant atmosphere. Whether you're looking to relax, explore, or simply take in the stunning scenery, the hills and havens around Kapadvanj offer something for everyone. Section 6: A Tapestry of Culture. Kapadvanj has a rich cultural heritage. The city is known for its vibrant markets where locals gather to buy and sell goods. The markets are a riot of colors, sounds, and aromas. Handicrafts such as pottery, embroidery, and weaving are an important part of the local culture. Festivals are celebrated with great enthusiasm in Kapadvanj. Navratri, Diwali, and Holi are particularly joyous occasions. Section 7: The Sacred Heart of Kapadvanj. The Kapadvanj temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva, is a significant landmark and a place of pilgrimage. The temple is known for its intricate carvings and its peaceful ambience. Devotees from far and wide come to pay their respects to the deity. The temple plays an important role in the religious and social life of the community. Section 8: Farming for Life. Agriculture is the backbone of Kapadvanj's economy. The fertile land and the hard work of the farmers ensure a bountiful harvest. The city is surrounded by fields of cotton, wheat, vegetables, and other crops. The agricultural activities provide employment to a large section of the population. The city's markets are filled with fresh produce, reflecting the abundance of the region. Section 9: A Peaceful Retreat. Kapadvanj is a city where time seems to move at a slower pace. Nestled in the heart of Gujarat, this quaint town offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of modern urban life. The moment you step into Kapadvanj, you're greeted by the gentle rustling of leaves and the melodious chirping of birds, creating a symphony of nature that instantly soothes the soul. It is a place where one can escape the noise and chaos of city life. The winding pathways through the countryside invite you to take leisurely strolls, allowing you to breathe in the fresh, unpolluted air. As you walk, you might come across farmers tending to their fields, children playing traditional games, and elders sharing stories under the shade of ancient trees. Each moment spent here feels like a step back in time to a simpler, more peaceful era. The combination of natural beauty, cultural richness, and a relaxed atmosphere makes Kapadvanj a unique and charming destination. The lush green fields stretch as far as the eye can see, providing a picturesque backdrop for the vibrant cultural festivals that are a regular feature of village life. These festivals are a riot of colors, sounds, and flavors, offering a glimpse into the rich traditions and customs that have been passed down through generations. Visitors to Kapadvanj are sure to be enchanted by its rural charm and the warmth of its people. The locals are known for their hospitality and are always eager to share their way of life with visitors, whether it's inviting you to join in a traditional dance, offering you a taste of homemade delicacies, or simply sharing a smile. The people of Kapadvanj make you feel like you are part of their community. It is a place where one can reconnect with nature, experience the tranquility of rural life, and immerse oneself in the rich cultural tapestry of Gujarat. The forests surrounding Kapadvanj are perfect for nature walks, where you can discover a variety of flora and fauna. The village life, with its slow pace and simple pleasures, offers a refreshing change from the fast-paced urban lifestyle. And the cultural activities, from folk music and dance to traditional crafts, provide a deep insight into the heritage of Gujarat. Kapadvanj is not just a destination. It's an experience that stays with you long after you've left.